Meet Banale Backpack, the first size-shifting daily backpack that look cool and can carry big things. Whether it's your everyday essentials, your gym bag, or your next big thing, you'll move with ease, looking like this, and not like this. Banale Backpack, slim pack, big load. Banale Backpack features Italian quality and design and introduces a completely new category of bags, elegant and expandable, so you will be able to carry whatever you need for your day. Small stuff, big stuff, whatever. And while moving around with ease and looking cool. The slim design makes this bag a perfect choice for your everyday items. And when you need more space, enable the cargo mode. The expandable wrapping pocket opens up easily and safely supports your bigger items, thanks to the durable buckles and the tough webbing. Once you've arrived at your destination, just unclip the buckles and open the flap to quickly access your extra stuff. The unique size-shifting design of the Banale Backpack allows for unprecedented storage options, while enabling you to move around with ease, hands-free. But how does it work when it's normally loaded? Well, pretty much like any daily backpack, only better. The back panel is ergonomically designed to support your posture, and the buckle system serves as an anti-theft secured closure. It can fit all your usual stuff: laptop, lunchbox, and water bottle. But then again, it's a backpack. It can really hold anything. And the vibrant yellow lining keeps your backpack from becoming the inevitable black hole for pens, reports, and electronics. The Banale Backpack comes also in an exclusive Pro limited edition, designed for the most demanding urban mover. The Pro version features top-of-the-line YKK zippers, soft-touch finishes, and a detachable design that transforms the wrapping pocket into an elegant and handy tote bag. The lateral handle allows you to use it as a handbag at the next meeting. You can also attach it to your luggage for your next trip. And thanks to the rain-resistant coated material and the secret back pocket, you will not have to worry about getting caught in the rain or pickpockets. With the Banale Backpack, we wanted to design a new category of backpacks, expandable and functional, yet sophisticated and elegant. You will be able to carry everything you want while still looking cool. Plus, as an added bonus, we designed this bag in Italy, so it's sure to be the coolest backpack you'll ever own.